Hello, and thank you for tuning into today's video. This is going to be going over the Thorfict or Perfect Thork. This is a Perfect Dark menu, lobby, and chat screen for playing over LAN or public internet. I've made it a lot easier to set up. You'll just run this command for starting the master server. So it'll have a server list included too. So if we use my master server at my dynamic DNS URL, um, anybody can see the server list. And I'll demonstrate that and show my URL. Here's the master server already running, but I will demonstrate that if you were to just take the command in a fresh PowerShell, this command will simply run the master server, which hosts the chat and the server list. So once that's running, and I've put it on this computer, which is my local hosting computer on my network, but it also is linked to the DDNS URL that I'll show later, as in right now. So to get the Thorfic Dark, which is the client that runs it, you'll use the second command. The first command, by the way, is to be used before these in case you didn't have Git installed. So I'll go ahead and run that dashboard. Here it is. It says there's no public servers or anything, but we are connected and we can chat. So on the server side, if I were to start up one of the clients, that will take me to the dashboard as well, and we can see that message comes in. All historical messages are shared, I guess, through the logs when it's run. And this is over the public internet. My computer is actually on a VPN right now, and so this one in here is on my local internet, but then the computer that I'm testing this side in is on a is behind a VPN, so it wouldn't just. This is to demonstrate that hosting a public game works. So on the host, which is port forwarded on my network for port 27100, if we start the host, it'll start the game up directly on that computer. It's a little slow on this computer because my host has bad specs, but we'll see that it takes you directly into the network lobby. Similarly, if we refresh this list, the instance that's being hosted on the network is here, and when I double click onto it, it'll take me in. And so this is not over LAN, this is over port forwarded public internet. And if I were to go to the host, configure and start, it works. And this is specifically not LAN, this is over the public internet. So anybody else who gets the repository from my Git can actually go ahead and play this game. And if they know how to port forward, pretty simple, then they can play with anybody over the public internet, like say over Discord or friends. And so I think that that's pretty cool. So thank you for tuning into today's video, and I hope you have a good one.